Welcome to Number Corner. Today is Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. All right, we have a couple activities we're going to do today for Number Corner, kind of like we did yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and click on our calendar. And our calendar, we have to flip over the 15th, but we should look at our patterns here. We have, again, a number rack, penny, story problem. 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 Number rack, penny, what is today going to be? I hope you came up with story problem. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to my main chart. I'm going to fill out story problem. And you can tell we don't have an equation here. We are going to go back and solve all of those story problems, just not yet, okay? So, and then here we have to come up with how many more does it take to 20? So if we're at 15 today, the number 15, how many more is it to be to 20? So let's count up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 5 more to get to the number 20. All right, so that's it for this part of Number Corner. We're going to go ahead and go into our odd and evens chart. Yesterday we had a total of 14 on there. So today is September 15th. I thought I fixed this. That's why I was a little lost. September 15th. So we have to go ahead and add one new marker to our odd and even chart. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blue. So 7 and 8 makes 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. But here's my question. Is this number odd or is this number even? So I'm going to go 7 plus 8 equals 15. And I hope you came up with this number is odd because the numbers 7 and 8 are not the same, okay? And then for my subtraction problem, I could take, there are 15 total markers here. Let's go ahead and go back. So there are 15 total markers here. Now, if I took 15 minus, let's say that red number, I could do the blue number, but I'm going to pick red today. So if I said 15 minus 7, it would get you 8, which is the blue markers. Or I could have done 15 minus the blue markers here on the bottom, which would be, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 8 here, which would equal the 7 red markers that are left. Okay, so that's it for odd and even. Now we're going to go to our clocks, okay? So last time I did one of these worksheets. That's what you need to do in your Number Corner. So right now I want you to find page 1 in your Number Corner workbook, which looks like this. So go ahead and pause me when you have a Number Corner workbook, when you have a pencil, and you have a crayon. It should be a darker color. When you have that, go ahead and unpause me. Okay, so for our digital clock today, we had left off here at 5 o'clock, okay? We're gonna go ahead and keep counting. Remember, hour hand is the little hand, large hand is the minute hand. So we're gonna go ahead and count a whole nother hour. So 5:05, 5:10, 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, 5:35, 5:40, 5:45, 5:50, 5:55, and now we're at 6 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and we are going to click on this little chart right here. I'm not sure why it's not opening. It was having troubles earlier opening as well. So we are going to write 6 o'clock right here. Because we're still in the morning. And now we have to add 60 minutes to 300 minutes. So this one's kind of an easy one. It's 300 plus 60. So we could go 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360. So we're at 360 minutes right now. But on your paper that we have been working on, we have to shade in all the way until we get to 6 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and take my crayon and I'm going to mark all of the first 6, and my color of blue is a little bit different. I somehow lost this color of blue between this lesson and the last lesson that I did. So I hope that yours would be the same color. If you can't, just try to get a darker color. That will work, okay? So I'm coloring in here all the way the half of the clock, okay? And then I have to fill in down here. The last time I wrote 1 o'clock and I'm sleeping, I have to fill in the next numbers. So the next hour would be 2 o'clock. Okay. It'd be 2 o'clock, and at 2 a.m., I am still sleeping. I hope you are sleeping. All right. Now I am at 3 o'clock, and I am still sleeping. Now I'm at 4 o'clock, and I am sleeping. And at the end, I will put this picture up so you can see it, and it's a little bit larger, just so you know if you want to copy some of the words and you're by yourself and you don't have the spellings. I'll go ahead and make this larger for you, okay? So I'm now at 5 o'clock. Again, I am sleeping. Here's the tricky part. We're at 6 o'clock for today. I don't know what time you wake up. Each of you has your own schedule. So for Mrs. Dunn, I'm awake at 6 o'clock. My alarm clock goes off at 6 a.m. every morning. So I am waking up. Now, if you're still asleep at 6 a.m., I want you to write that I am sleeping, because that might be you, okay? So that is it for Number Corner. Again, at the end of this video, I'm going to put this worksheet up so you can kind of see a big version of it. All right, here's an enlarged version of what I did today. So if you need to copy any of the spellings or any of the clock, that you can see a big version of mine. So go ahead and pause this if you want to be able to copy it so that I don't disappear. All right, well, I hope you have a great day, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Bye.